All right, here's me reading the words if you need it. Project, project. Object, object. Rebel, rebel. Record, record. Protest, protest. Protest and protest. Abuse, abuse. Conduct, conduct. Address, address. Contract, contract. Permit, permit. Produce, produce. Subject, subject. Reject, address, project, abuse. Rebel, produce, contract, project. Record, conduct, subject, permit, object, conduct, record, permit, produce, address, object, protest, contract, reject, rebel, abuse, subject, protest. Now for these ones, for each one, I'll say both of the different pronunciations if there is one. When you're reading it, you don't have to say both. You can just pick one. So we have lead or led, close or close, wind or wind, minute or minute, bow or bow, tear, tear, that's just wound, or wound, sorry, yes, there's a couple different pronunciations, live or live, perfect, perfect, present, present, reject or reject, so there's just one pronunciation, I believe, console, console, separate or separate, use or use, project, project, rebel, rebel, record, record, object, object, abuse, abuse, conduct, conduct, address, address, produce, produce, reject, reject, subject, subject. For this last section, I'll just pick one of them since I showed you both on the first part. So, reject, lead, tear, produce, console, project, close, wound, reject, separate, rebel, wind, live, address, use, record, minute, perfect, abuse, subject, object, bow, present, and conduct. Whew, that was a tricky one. All right, do your best. Make sure you record how many words you got and do the question at the bottom.